Before you listen, take a deep breath, because this message is meant for your heart, not your ears. Someone younger was never an accident in your life. They were sent for a reason you're about to understand. What you're about to hear might finally explain why this connection feels so different, so strong, so real. Welcome to Neve Give Up Extra. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more mindset-changing videos. This channel will grow with your supporting and your love. Let's get start the video. A younger person was chosen to love you deeply. So just breathe for a moment and let these words reach the quietest part of your heart. Because what you're about to hear is not a normal message. It's something your soul has waited a long time to understand. Chapter 1. Age never controls the heart. A younger person didn't come into your life by chance. They were drawn to you because your soul carries something their heart needed. Age can describe a body, but it can never describe the heart. From the first moment they saw you, something inside them woke up. They didn't fall for your age. They fell for your kindness, your energy, your strength, your softness, your way of loving without expecting anything back. This is why they were chosen. Chapter 2. You were meant to teach them real love. Their heart was quietly searching for the kind of love you naturally give. Calm, safe, warm, real. You didn't have to try. Your presence showed them patience, loyalty, understanding, and respect. You became a teacher of love simply by being yourself. Your heart became their safe place. Chapter 3. They see beauty in you. Others never noticed. This younger soul sees your strength, your softness, your pain, your courage, your emotional depth. They don't look at your age, your scars, or your insecurities. They look straight into your soul. They see the story of someone who survived storms but still loves like sunlight. They were chosen because they can love the real you. Chapter 4. They came to heal parts of you. You've carried heartbreak, disappointment, and people who didn't know how to love you. But this younger person came as a gentle healer, not to fix everything, but to remind you of something you forgot. You are still lovable. You are still wanted. You are still worth choosing. Their presence brings back feelings you thought were gone. Chapter 5. Their soul is older than their age. Not every young person is emotionally young. Some carry very old souls. This person feels deeply, understands quietly, and connects instantly. When they met you, their soul recognized something ancient in yours, like two energies meeting again after a long time apart. Chapter 6. Your depth doesn't scare them. Most people fear deep emotions or real commitment. But this younger person is not afraid of the way you love. Your depth comforts them. Your maturity brings them peace. Your presence makes them feel grounded in a way people their own age never could. Chapter 7. You guide them, and they bring light to you. You guide their heart without trying. They brighten your soul without knowing. They bring back your smile, your excitement, and the youthful feeling inside your heart. This balance, this give and take, is the reason your age difference exists. Chapter 8. They love how differently you love. You love with understanding. You listen with care. You give with honesty. You love like someone who has lived and learned, and they feel special, valued, and seen in your presence. This is why they were chosen to love you. Chapter 9. You are part of each other's destiny. Some people are meant to meet no matter what. Age, distance, timing. You were meant to cross paths. You were meant to teach each other. You were meant to break old patterns and feel a love that doesn't follow rules. Chapter 10. Age is a number. Connection is truth. In the end, the reason is simple. your souls matched, your energies aligned, your hearts recognized each other. Age couldn't stop it, nothing could, because destiny chose them for you. They love you deeply because you deserve a love that makes you feel alive again, a love that sees your worth, your beauty, your soul. Your age doesn't push them away, it pulls them closer, because real love doesn't check numbers, it checks hearts, souls and destiny chose them for you. The last message must be listen. Before you scroll away, listen to this one last thing. If a younger person has entered your life with a love that feels pure, unexpected and strangely familiar, then understand this. It was not an accident. It was a blessing you didn't even know you were waiting for. Sometimes the universe brings us the right soul in a form we never imagined, not to confuse us, but to heal us. Brought back your smile. Maybe they made you feel seen again. Maybe they touched a part of your heart no one touched in years. If this message felt like it was written for you, tell me in the comments, did someone younger make you feel alive again? Did the universe send you a love that didn't care about age? Share your story below. Your words might heal someone else's heart too. And remember, love comes in many forms, but the one that finds you is always the one meant for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.